I'm going to show you this effect. Okay, show you my hat. My hat is completely empty, just like this. Nothing, no trapdoors. Set that down. I'll show you I have a silk. Okay, it's completely empty. Now, I'm going to show you something amazing here. It's what I call the card to hat. It's an old classic. And as you can see here, I have a signed card, 5 of diamonds. Watch it go inside the hat. It's amazing. As it flies. Okay, not so amazing. I'll do that again. Okay, let's do that again. Put it back in the deck. 5 of diamonds, snap my fingers, it flies through the air. Lands right over here, inside the hat. Amazing, huh? I'll do that for you again. Watch in slow motion. It goes in the pack. Slow motion, flies through the air, and back inside the hat. Okay. Now, I will take the 5 of diamonds, place it right back into the pack, just like so. I will then take the silk here, cover it up. I want to show you that the deck is still in fact here. You can see the pack there before I cover it up. There it is. Watch very carefully. I'm going to try and take out your card. Okay. Take out one card. Actually, I got the Joker, so let me just put that away. I get one more try to find your card. A little bit of magic. Watch carefully. I take the deck. I just give it a snap. It vanishes. Every single card in the deck vanishes with the exception of your card. I show you the silk. It's completely empty. So actually the whole deck travels over here. That's right, inside the hat. Amazing.